What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, just wanted to say welcome and thank you for tuning in. It is another lovely day here in the great state of Texas. What we got is I'm waiting for the brake lines to come in. They'll be in tomorrow, so stay tuned for that video. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and finish wiring up my halo headlights. I did get the taillight reseal, so we're gonna go ahead and install that as well. I had already installed the blinker lights, so I'm gonna have a video posted with that as well. So let's get to it. Alright, so just got the lights finished up. Let's check them out. I'd say those look mighty fine though. Got all the lights finished up. Just gonna do one quick walk around to make sure they all work. So let's see. Alright, so we got daytime, we got the halos working, headlights working. Still need to put the side markers in, but I gotta finish the body work for that first. I got all the tail lights, side markers, both license plates. All right guys, that wraps it up for today. Lights came out great, halos look fantastic, but make sure to stay tuned for this next video. I have a new camera guy that's gonna come and film it for me. He's a good buddy of mine. It's gonna be a different style than what I've been filming. It's gonna be a cinematic walk around, try to make this $300 car look like a $3 million car. So if everything goes well, it'll come out pretty good. So let's just hope all things go well, and thanks for watching.